Hello from Samorin, from the synagogue. Now the wooden frame is finished, and the artists Josef Baiers and Franz and Thomas and Willy are bringing in the high steel beams, and they put them just on top of the metal frame. And just after that, the legs can be attached to the Lambdoma frame. So having the wooden structure is very important to be able to put the frame together, especially if you would try to put it together and set it up without the wooden structure. It would be very dangerous, as it is, of course, very heavy. So now the last leg is coming to the Lambdoma frame, and after that they can attach the rest of the framework. So very soon the Lambdoma will be able to stand on its 4 feet alone. And in between it needs some measuring also to check if it's all square and nice. And then a last supporting frame part can come and be attached in the middle. So now it is screwed together and checked if everything is nice and stable. And then it is already time to remove the wooden frame, because the steel frame is ready to carry all the lovely Lambdoma tubes we can play music on.